You want a ticket to Super Bowl 50? Get ready to sell your kidney on the black market. Super Bowl 50, the most expensive ticket for a sporting event ever. Here's a breakdown of the prices for nosebleed seats and those bougie suites with the butler and the caviar. I'll start with the cheap seats. One ticket in section 401, row 15, will cost you $3,749. Here's the view from that seat. You're way up on the top, but at least you're still in the stadium. If you need a better view, two tickets for seats on the 50, all amenities included, section 138, row 22. That'll cost you $53,476. That's about the same price as a Mercedes-Benz GLE SUV. Or a 2-night stay at the Royal Towers Bridge Suite in the Bahamas at the Atlantis. Or a full year's tuition at the most expensive college in the United States with some leftover cash to pay for a year's tuition at the cheapest college. And if you really want to ball out, let's say you want to bring 22 of your closest friends or maybe some clients that you need to impress and butter up to, there's a suite for sale for $408,000, nearly $500,000. It fits 22 people, comes with butlers, waiters, and a food and alcohol spread that would make Donald Trump jealous. Do you think he ate all those pies by himself? Let's say you're a Panthers fan. Would you rather watch the game in the suite with 22 of your pals for $400,000 or buy this brand new mansion in Charlotte with a pretty solid pool in the backyard? Or you can buy the new 2016 Lamborghini Aventador. 691 horsepower, 0 to 60 in 3 seconds. Anyway, Super Bowl 50, the most expensive ticket in the history of expensive tickets. For more Super Bowl 50 coverage, head over to footballnation.com.